Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to convert your Facebook account into a business page. So basically, you can convert your personal profile into a business page before. But if you try today, if you click on this link to convert your profile to a page, go here. So if you click on this, you'll find that this page isn't available right now. So what you're going to do here is go to Help Center and you can go to create and manage your page. So basically, you can create your Facebook page with your Facebook account. So here on create a Facebook page, you can go to this option, create a Facebook page right here. And if you click on this one, you'll find this message here saying Facebook pages are for businesses, brands, organizations, and public figures to share updates and connect with people. Anyone with a Facebook account can create a page or help manage one as long as they have access to the page. Now, you will find here the instruction on how you can create a page. So basically, just need to click on this link right here, and then you just need to enter your page name, category, and your bio. And basically, this Facebook page is connected to your Facebook profile. Now, the other way here to create a page or make your Facebook profile into a business page is by going to profile and just turn on professional mode. So you just need to make your profile as a professional mode or business mode. So yeah, that's how you basically convert your Facebook profile into your business page. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.